car accident. I didn't see it, but I can see that it's happened. Oh, there's a car right here. Oh my goodness. It is a cold winter's morning. We are 21st of May, and I am going to ride to have a look at Simon's new bike. He has bought an Intruder, a VL250 Intruder, which is basically another Trudy 2, which we both really enjoyed, but after his crash he's wanting to go to a cruiser and take it easy for the next 6 months before he gets his full, and then he'll have all the time in the world to decide what his next bike is. But for now we are enjoying cruises. So we're meeting at Whitford BP this morning, and we're going for a spin around to Clevedon, the normal loop, and then also to Airlie's loop, depending on how we feel. So I am fully decked out in my new leather jacket, and I even have a thermal layer underneath because it's that cold, which is making me feel a little bit like a stuffed animal bursting. So at the earliest opportunity for me to take it off, I will. Otherwise it's going to be very, very tight ride. Hopefully the temperature will increase. Let me put the heated grips on immediately onto maximum, and off we go. Car accident. I didn't see it, but I can see that it's happened. Oh, there's a car right here. Oh my goodness. Sherbet. Presume someone's called. How many people? Just one. I haven't. No, I'm following now. I just don't know where this place is.
Yeah, someone's trapped in the car. The car's stowed away.
Ambulance and police. I don't know. Probably about 3 km away from the
Yeah, they're sailing in Australia. 2 months after they got heaps of second places in Australia. Oh, yeah. Thank you for stopping, man.
I also phoned 911, so they got double the data, so that's alright.
Yeah, good.
Can happen so easily. Anyway, I phoned 111, I gave them all the data, went to go and check and talk to the other driver. Apparently that guy that went off the road basically slipped. He was going, well, the guy said he was going very fast. He lost control. He tried to avoid him, hit the side of him, which mangled up the car, which you would have seen, and then he flipped over into the side. Single occupant that's trapped. Of course, all I can do is phone 111 and told them everything I could, and they're sending police, ambulance and fire, and another guy did the same. Fingers crossed that guy is not too badly hurt, but the guy who pointed his head in the car said he looked okay. But yeah, being pinned, there will be injuries when you're pinned, that's for sure. Poor guy. Let me just do this. Trust me. So that's pretty quick. But the ambulance presumably will be in Beachlands already, as will the fire brigade, if they have to cut the person out. So I'm not expecting to see anything else on this road. I thought the cops might come from Beachlands as well, because they are there. Oh, here's another one coming. Anyway, we are nearly here. I expect I will see, and another one. 3 cop cars. See Sami, that's good. Is it Sami? Yes it is. He's had a haircut.
Morning.
Good morning. Sorry I'm a bit late. I had to rescue someone. So there was a big car crash on Whitford Maraetai. 2 cars. Yeah, one went off the road.
Did you see it happen?
It happened probably 5 seconds before I got there, because there were still pieces doing this on the road. So I had to phone 111 and yeah, give them all the information. There was someone trapped in the one car. Yeah. Okay. Look at your bike. Let me. There it is. Hey, I miss old Trudy.
I'm not the only one on the 250.
You got a Trudy, another Trudy. She's in good nick, eh?
Honestly, it's not bad. It's got spotlights.
Oh, cool. That's actually very good.
Oh,
That's very good.
That's actually really nice.
Yeah.
I know.
Do you have a button for them there?
It's really, that spotlights are normal wired with the lights. This is the.
Oh, that's the push to start.
Oh, the heated grips.
Oh, the heated grips. Oh. Okay, it's not the other one I was thinking of. First time we've gone riding together again, boy.
I know. It's good to be back. See, my gloves are still dirty.
Here we go. I passed 3 cop cars already. What's it feel like? Anyway, let's go.
Do you want to have a ride?
I do. Oh, and there's the fire brigade.
I'm actually kind of curious to know what a cruiser feels like as well. It's different, completely.
Very, very, very different. Very different. Do you want to go for a ride first, or do you want me to take it now for a spin?
Take it now.
Have you got me on your insurance?
I think so. $3,000.
So what the hell are you wearing?
I've got my gear underneath.
Okay. So I've got my thermals underneath here, so I'm like Michelin man.
A jumper underneath.
Yeah, same. It's cold, eh?
Yes, it's so cold. I'm wearing 2 pairs of pants.
All right, let's go. We might get stopped, eh? Because there might be cars everywhere.
In that case, do you want to go Cleveland instead?
Up to you. I don't mind.
Yeah, let's go Cleveland instead.
Okay. Do you not want to close up your straps?
It's alright. It's got Velcro on both sides.
Okay. I'll try not to drop it if you try not to drop mine. No pressure.
As long as it's not a sport bike position. I realised this morning after physio and everything, because they stretched me.
Are you still limping?
They stretched me out at physio, but yes, I am.
Well, that's good. They need to stretch you out.
Yeah.
Otherwise you freeze in that position, hey?
That's on both legs.
Are you able to ride though?
Yes, I'm not able to ride a sport bike. I can't.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's do this. Okay. Let's see how this works. Yeah.
Gas in both bikes. Well, this bike and this bike.
Okay. There we go.
On.
What you doing, mate? Okay. So not too bad. Oh yeah. Duct tape. That'll be fine until you get to Warrant. No, she looks fine. Yeah. Yeah, and presumably here? Did you? Yeah. Welcome to the club, mate. Welcome to the club.
The thing down there is snap.
Split. On. There we go. Forward view. It's great. Sam? Where are we going? Guess I'll just follow them. Second. Oh, good old Trudy. She's fine. Heated grips, let's give these things a go. Hot. Hot grip. I don't know. Okay, hot. Not sure what start means. Anyway, let's see if they get hot. Auckland morning. Turning is a little different. All good. Love it. I've also hopefully my audio will be a little bit better today because I put a dead cat on. I've noticed on this particular bike, on this particular helmet, my black Scorpion, I get a lot of crackle, like over sound crackle when I'm sitting on Vulcan because Vulcan's so loud. So I've dead catted it now instead of just the foam, so we'll see if that makes a difference. I don't think I'll have a problem on Trudy, but we'll see what it's like on Vulky later. Let Sami enjoy Vulky for a while. Said he was a little nervous. Interesting. Changed all the way down. Anyway, we are now on the beautiful Airley's Loop Drive. It goes around Airley's farm. I think I can't remember the name of the place, Fletcher Bay or something. No, not that. I don't know. But it's here in Whitford. Beautiful loop road. Lovely up market, well, wealthy homes, beautiful estates, lots of horses. There's a horsey. Simon has got little spotlights on the front, which I think is very cool. They need to be straightened, I think, to make sure that they're parallel to the bike. But of course they are little mini versions of the ones I've got for my GS, so I'm really keen to see how they look. So when I jump on Vulky, I'll be sure to look behind and have a good look. I'm still waiting for the GS upper crash bar to arrive, but of course with all the new strains of COVID running through Singapore, Hong Kong area, they can't get container ships out and they can't get flights. So all of their deliveries have come to an end. So they're telling me they can't deliver my crash bars. And yet I get other stuff from Wish sent in a week. Who knows? It must be them going ocean freight for cheapness, I would imagine, because the planes are still flying, the cargo planes. Anyway. It's hard not to want to record everything. Lovely big, wow, a full rainbow. Look at that. Great. She's awesome.
Let's just talk to guys about the rain.
Yeah. A little bit of rain coming.
Really? I hadn't noticed.
So we'll go that way towards the sun. What do you say?
Towards the sun? So, head towards the sun. Wow, you've both got M's. I got a 4.
Sorry, boy. Anyway, let's head towards Maraetai. This is going to come down. Maybe we can have some coffee there or something before it comes down.
You lead.
Yep.
Just remember, stay to the speed limit.
Yep. I know. Ooh, nasty. Yep, here comes the rain. Just have to go ever so slowly as well. Wow, my clutch feels very light after riding Trudy. Hadn't noticed that. That's the one car. There's the other car down there. Looking at the beautiful view, but I think we are heading into rain. So Sami wants to push on, so we will push on. But I will claim my coffee in Clevedon. It's my right. I cannot continue much without coffee. This child is pushing me too far. What a glorious vista. And here comes the rain in the distance over there. I think we'll miss it. Looks like we'll be good. Looks like it's moving off that way. Not that I'm scared of rain, but it's not as pleasant as riding without. Just a quickie. We got lucky with the rain.
Yeah, but literally, if we had continued straight onto Kalakaua, we would have got the rain again.
Yeah, if we'd continued. So that the Ailey's loop did it.
It's a complete loop.
So, how are you finding it? You enjoying? She's lovely, hey? She's got character. She's got that burble when you slow down.
Got enough, it needs more speed.
Hey?
I'd say the sound is dangerous.
Arman and him are going to swap bikes. This will be interesting. It'll be his first time on a cruiser. I might stay and watch. And off we go. Time to get home. After a nice cup of coffee, I'll be home by 9 o'clock. 10 past 9. You don't need more than that. Anyway, so that was Simon's Intruder. We have another Trudy back in the family. She's got a lovely burble. I think he might do something with the exhaust. I would, but something cheap, maybe drill a few holes in it or something to give it a bit more clatter. But otherwise, she's in good condition, low mileage, behaves very well on the road. I was actually impressed. A big day, off to go and see Daryl, and we're going to go for our first proper ride together, not just a 10-seconder down the country road. We're going to go out to Kumu Way, do a bit of a loop, let him stretch his legs and get some miles under his belt. So looking forward to that.